In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the window switch on this Volkswagen Beetle. This is going to be on the driver's side. Let's get into it. Taking a trim tool, we're just going to get underneath the switch in the bottom part and then slide it down. You can pull it out. It is clipped in. You can see where it's clipped in right there. And then the top part, it just slides up. Now push down on the tab right there, and the tab right there. Disconnect the connectors. Now I'll plug these into the new switch. Line these up. These are connected. Make sure they lock down in place. And then just slide this in position. Slide the top up and lock the bottom in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.